Have you ever felt strong on the outside but broken inside? Do you know what it feels like to stand alone with no one to help you? Have you ever trusted people only to watch them walk away? Many people smile every day, but cry at night. They work hard, they stay quiet, they keep going, but deep inside, their heart feels tired and heavy. Here is the promise. This story will not leave you empty. It will show you strength that does not break. If you have ever been strong but lonely, this story is for you. Once upon a time, there lived a man named Ryan. Ryan was 28 years old. He lived in a small town with dusty roads and old trees. People knew each other there, but no one really knew Ryan's pain. Ryan worked as a shop helper. Every morning he opened the shop early. He cleaned the floor. He arranged the shelves. He greeted customers with a calm smile. Ryan had a simple dream. He wanted a peaceful life, a small home, respect, and someone who would stay. But Ryan had a deep problem. He trusted people too much. He gave his time, his help, his heart, and each time people took and left. While others moved forward, Ryan stayed behind. While others laughed in groups, Ryan walked alone. People in the town talked quietly. "He's kind," one said. "But too soft," said another. "He will never rise," someone whispered. Every night, Ryan sat alone in his room. A small room, one bed, one chair, a quiet lamp. He prayed in silence. No loud words, just a tired heart speaking to God. Trouble did not come once. It came again and again. Ryan helped a friend start a business. The friend became successful. Ryan was forgotten. Ryan trusted a partner with his savings. The money was gone. So was the partner. Ryan loved deeply. He planned a future. One morning, she left without goodbye. Each loss made his heart heavier. Each night felt colder. One evening, rain fell hard. The streets were empty. Ryan walked slowly, his shoes wet. Near the mosque, he saw an old man sitting quietly. The man's beard was white. His eyes were calm. "Why do you look so tired?" the old man asked. Ryan stayed silent. Then words came out like tears. "I tried to be good," Ryan said. "I helped everyone. Now I have no one. Only God." The old man smiled gently. He took 2 small stones from his pocket. "Life is like these stones," he said. "One is heavy with fear. One is light with trust." Ryan frowned. "I do not understand," he said. The old man placed the stones in Ryan's hands. "One stone is when you depend on people," he said. "The other is when you depend on God." Ryan felt the weight. His heart shook. "But I am alone," Ryan said. The old man replied softly, "When you have only God, you have enough." Ryan did not fully understand, but something moved inside him. That night, Ryan did not sleep. His heart was loud. For the first time, he understood something. People leave. God stays. The next morning, Ryan made a decision. He would work. He would pray. He would stop begging people for value. It was not easy. Some days were painful. His hands worked all day. His heart learned patience. Days passed. Weeks went by. Ryan woke before sunrise. He prayed with focus. He worked with honesty. People still ignored him, but Ryan did not stop. He felt tired, but he kept going. 1 year later, Ryan had changed. Not louder, not richer, but stronger. His walk was calm, his eyes were steady. His heart felt firm. A new shop opened. It was small, but it was his. People noticed. "He's different," they said. "He does not chase," they whispered. Ryan smiled quietly. He knew why. Ryan's life was still simple, but it was full. He helped others without expecting return. He trusted God, not promises. The town respected him now, but Ryan did not chase respect. One evening, Ryan saw the old man again. He bowed his head. "You were right," Ryan said. "When I had only God, I found strength." The old man smiled. "Because God removes people," he said, "to show you your own power." Ryan walked home under the stars. The night felt peaceful. He was not lonely. He was complete. Dear friend, listen carefully. Sometimes God takes people away, not to hurt you, but to protect you. When you have only God, you learn who you are. You stop begging. You start building. If you feel alone today, do not break. Stand still. Pray. Work. Trust. Strength grows when faith is your only support. Start today, not tomorrow, because waiting keeps you weak. If this story touched your heart, take a moment. Like this video, share it with someone who feels alone. Subscribe to Quiet Wisdom for more stories like this. We are here every week with simple English and deep lessons. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.